Okay, next one up, Triumph Street Twin. This is a new client, young lady, just ridden from the other side of London. Wants this trotted, so we're going to do one of our legendary full works packages on this, which will include the ceramic. Quite a bit of polishing to do. I don't know what's been done to these side covers, whether they've been painted or something, but we're going to do a two-stage machine polish. Got loads of spider webs on the tank. Mud guards, side covers, front mud guard. We'll get all this exhaust all minted up like new, get some XCP corrosion protection on it, get it looking like it should, and then we will treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. She's pretty filthy, not ever been properly valeted. She's had it for a couple of years, I think she said. So time to get her. Nice to see a well lubed chain. Time to get her looking like new again. Give me a couple hours. So just doing a quick paint inspection. She's got spider webs everywhere. Don't know what's been done to these side covers. Look at that. And we got our work cut out for us with this one. Oh, look at that. Anyways, let's get her looking pretty again. Okay, this Triumph is coming along nicely. It's been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated. Now time to crack on with some detailing. We'll get that exhaust all polished up, and then we'll crack on with the tank, front mud guard, and I'm just going to have a go with these side covers. Like I said, I don't know what's been done to them, but it's like someone's sprayed some matte paint on them or something. Anyway, we're going to give those a two-stage polish. Let's see if we can get a bit of gloss back into those. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Triumph Street Twin has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full works valets, which included a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Look at that mud guard. And we put the Ultimaxx ceramic on it all. I did the best I could with these side covers, but somebody had sprayed some satin paint on those and I couldn't remove it all, but all the back mud guard, front mud guard, tank, look at the gloss on that. Absolutely gleaming. Good old Ultimaxx ceramic really knocks it out of the park. So everything's been XCP'd, all the exhausts have been polished up. Quite a transformation on this one. All done in just over 3 hours.